Hello everybody, myself Jyoti Vashist from Suraj School Rewari. Taking the topic corrosion from the chapter Metal and Non-Metal of class 10th Chemistry. Students, what is the meaning of corrosion? What is corrosion? Corrosion is the decaying of metal surface by the action of water, air, acid, base called corrosion. कोरोजन जिसमें मेटल का सरफेस, मेटल की जो अपर लेयर है वो खराब हो जाती है, वो धीरे धीरे डीके होने लगती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोरोजन. द मोस्ट कॉमन एग्जांपल ऑफ कोरोजन इज रस्टिंग इन आयरन. Rusting. In rusting, iron gets corroded by the action of air and water. In rusting, iron metal react with oxygen and water and to form hydrated ferric oxide. This hydrated ferric oxide is brown in color, which get deposited on the upper surface of iron metal and rusted it. We can prevent the rusting in iron by stop the entry of water to the iron metal or oxygen to the iron metal, like by paint on iron metal, by greasing on iron metal, by alloying, by galvanization. Galvanization means the deposition of the layer of zinc metal on iron surface by the process of electrolysis. Like all these ways, we can prevent the iron from rusting. Some other metals also show the corrosion, like copper. Corrosion in copper. For the corrosion, copper react with oxygen, carbon dioxide and water also. If copper doesn't get all these three things, oxygen, CO2 and water, that copper cannot be corroded. When copper react with all these oxygen, CO2 and water, it get corroded and form the layer of basic copper carbonate, which is green in color. Students, remember that sometime we see the green layer on copper metal. That green layer is of basic copper carbonate. Since it is basic in nature, so it can be removed by some acidic substances like vinegar or lemon or curd, etc. Now, silver. Silver also shows corrosion. Silver metal react with hydrogen sulfide gas present in air and form a black layer of silver sulfide on the surface of silver metal. This layer is black in color. So if we see that the silver get blackened after some time, after some days, then the silver get corroded. Aluminium metal also shows corrosion because aluminium is the most reactive metal. So aluminium react with oxygen present in atmosphere and form the black layer of aluminium oxide. This black layer of aluminium oxide get deposited on the upper surface of aluminium metal. But here the positive point is that this black layer of aluminium oxide protect the inner aluminium from the corrosion. That means this corroded layer of aluminium oxide behaves like this black layer of aluminium oxide protect the inner layer of aluminium metal. That's why we deposit the layer of aluminium oxide on the aluminium metal for the protection from the corrosion, and this process is called anodizing. That means anodizing. Anodizing is the process to the deposition of aluminium oxide layer on aluminium metal from the protection from corrosion. This is known as anodizing. Thank you and have a nice day.